Hey, how you doing, Mr. Jeff Crowley? My name is Damyan, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers for your business. So I know you're asking, like, why is your website screencasted right here, and what's in it for me? Well, I've found that most local business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their companies. But with me being an expert, I've laid out this free, easy attack plan right here in this video of 3 basic search engine optimization tactics on-site and off-site that will help your company above the competition. So at the end of this video, if you like what you heard and you see that I'm knowledgeable and you want to use me to help your business, then shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan that I give you and use it for yourself, that works for me as well. So without further ado, let's go into the first ranking factor, which is your content, on-site content. I got a nice site, by the way. You want to make sure that your keywords and meta descriptions are all up to par, and you want to make sure that your picture tagging is up to par as well. I'm going to take one of your pictures and try to save it. All right, and it saved kind of crazy. It should save as residential roofing contractor, Columbia, South Carolina, right? So that you gain points from Google for having a keyword as your picture tag, right? And then Google wants to see 2,000 words on this front page, right? And it wants to see 750 to 1,250 words for each of your service pages that you have, right? And then let me show you your top competitors in the area of Columbia. Here's Premier Roofing right here, and here's Bergen Roofing right here. And then when I search simple keyword that's really effective, roofing Columbia, South Carolina, it's been searched 600 times a month. So that's 600 jobs or potential whatever a month, right? And what pops up first are these two, Premier and Bergen. And then I think you were on the second page. Let's see. Okay, third page. CSS roofing. Yep, third page. You guys on the third page. So you really want to try to be on the first page, and let me show you how you do that by the use of that keyword right there that we just had, roofing Columbia, South Carolina. So this is Premier Roofing's top position right here. The number 1 position for this keyword, like I said, is searched 600 times, and that's just one keyword, right? So there's multiple keywords within your website, and it can potentially change. But here is Bergen Roofing. They're at the number 2 position, right, for the same keyword. And then here are you guys at let's see. Yep, you guys here at position 19. You went down 5 slots. So you were at 14, now you're at 19 for the same keyword that searched 600 times a month, right? And then what powers these keywords are backlinks and referring domains. So we call it link juice. So you want to get more link juice so that your keywords bring up your website's UR and DR, right? So UR is your power and DR is your trust, right? So let me show you Bergen's, which is 26 and 7. Backlinks, okay. Referring domains, okay. All right, and here's yours. Your UR is very powerful, but your DR 7 could use some work, and is it higher than Bergen's? It's the same as Bergen's, right? So let me show you another pay tool. Wait, this tool right here is called Ahrefs, by the way. It's a $400 a month tool that I use that lets me see all the different keywords as well as the backlinks that's needed to outrank other competitors. So when I pull you up right here in my other paid tool called Majestic, which I pay about $150 a month to use, we see that your trust flow is 2 and your citation flow is 28. Right? So that's a low trust flow right here in this other paid tool that I use to help me out, right? And that's because your main topical trust flow is from sports soccer website that's bringing in. So it's a sports soccer URL. I can find out exactly which one as well. Let's see. Where is this URL? Okay, so you guys have put one on one of these referring domains, and that's making your topical trust flow just be at 2, and that's it. So when I do a comparison analysis though against you, Bergen, and Premier, right? So you're at 2 and 28. Bergen is at 6 and 31, and the Premier is at 29 and 34, which is a very high trust flow and citation flow that you would want to have. You want to be close to a golden ratio, which in this case would be 34 out of 34. They're 29 out of 34. So that 1-to-1 ratio, 34 divided by 34 equals 1, is really where they would want to be, but they're close to it. They're pretty high, right? Okay, and let me show you the third factor that you can use to to propel your business is in the Google Map Pack, right? So the Google Map Pack has the name of the company, the address, and as well as the phone number, right? And that's a citation in itself. So you want to get multiple citations in multiple directories, right? You want to get it in Yelp, LinkedIn, City Star, White Pages, Yellow Pages, even Facebook citations, right? So you want to get hundreds of citations so that you blow your opponents out of the water. It's like a popularity contest, and you want to have your business name everywhere. And that's really the third way how to get your business on the up and coming with those three factors, right? So if you implement these search engine optimization strategies today, there is no reason why you can't work up to being #1 for what you do locally across Google. So you can either go with this free information that I provided you with today. You can do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. My intent was only to educate you anyway. But on the flip side, if you want to get the most effective route and save yourself time, give me a call at 855-955-2393 or any of the emails, and I would be sure to set up a discovery call and look at your website. So thanks for your time, and talk to you soon.